Hey there, you little piggy bank. Today we've got 25 mind-blowing animal facts you won't believe are true. So let's get started. Fact 1. Octopuses have 3 hearts and 9 brains. 2 of the hearts pump blood to the gills where it picks up oxygen, and then the third heart pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. And each of the octopus's 8 arms has its own mini brain which allows them to move somewhat independently of each other. Fact 2. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep. Sea otters like to nap while floating on their backs, and they do this so that they don't drift apart while they're sleeping. This adorable behavior is called rafting. Fact 3. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Unlike most mammals, sloths can slow their heart rate and breathing significantly. While underwater, they can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. To put that into perspective, the average dolphin can only hold their breath for about 10 minutes. Fact 4. Axolotls can regrow entire body parts. If an axolotl loses a limb or part of its spinal cord, heart tissue, or even part of their brain, they can simply grow a new one. Fact 5. Cows have best friends. Cows are social animals who form strong bonds with their favorite herd mates. When separated from their bestie, cows can become very stressed out and even depressed. Fact 6. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks have been around on the planet for over 400 million years, but trees only appeared on land about 350 million years ago. Fact 7. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. This name suits them well since they are known for their bright pink color and overall showy appearance. Fact 8. Parrots name their chicks. Each chick in a parrot family has a unique call, and the parents use these to address them individually. Fact 9. Elephants can hear with their feet. Elephants can feel vibrations in the ground from miles away by sensing the seismic waves through their feet. This is how elephants can hear each other before they even see each other. Fact 10. Frogs can freeze solid and come back to life. In cold climates, some frog species can survive being frozen solid. By replacing the water in their bodies with glucose, the frog's cells remain intact until temperatures rise, and then the frogs can simply hop away. Fact 11. Mantis shrimp punch harder than a bullet. These fist-sized crustaceans can strike with the force of a bullet, leaving a hole in their unsuspecting victim. The sound of their snapping claws has even been recorded as the equivalent to a gunshot. Fact 12. Penguins propose with pebbles. Before mating, male penguins will present a pebble to their chosen lady friend. If she accepts the gift, then the two will be an item. Fact 13. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans. Both giraffes and humans have 7 vertebrae in their neck, but obviously the giraffes are just much larger. Fact 14. Dolphins have names for each other. Every dolphin has a unique signature whistle, and they use these whistles to call out to each other. Since no two dolphins have the same signature whistle, it's basically like they have names. Fact 15. Komodo dragons can reproduce without males. On the Indonesian island of Komodo, the female dragons sometimes reproduce through a process called parthenogenesis, which literally means virgin birth. This allows them to lay fertile eggs without mating with a male. Fact 16. Pistol shrimp create bubbles as hot as the sun. When a pistol shrimp snaps its claws together, it creates a cavitation bubble that reaches over 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit for a split second. That temperature is hotter than the surface of the sun. Fact 17. Koalas have fingerprints almost identical to humans. Koala fingerprints are so similar to ours that even crime scene investigators have been fooled into thinking they were dealing with human prints. Fact 18. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. Some turtle species can absorb oxygen from water through their cloacas, meaning that they can breathe through their butts. This is called cloacal respiration. Fact 19. Whales have earwax that tells their life story. Each year, a whale grows a new layer of earwax that seals in the previous year's wax. This creates a cylindrical plug in their ear canals that has layers similar to tree rings. Scientists can look at these layers to determine the whale's age, diet, and any major environmental changes that occurred during its lifetime. Fact 20, cats can't taste sweetness. Cats lack the necessary receptors to detect sugar molecules, so anything with a sweet taste doesn't taste good to them. Fact 21, the immortal jellyfish can reverse aging. The immortal jellyfish is actually capable of reverting back to a younger stage after reaching maturity. This means that they can theoretically live forever, although scientists haven't observed any actually doing this for more than a couple years. Fact 22. Ants can build living bridges. Some ant species link their bodies together to form a living bridge across gaps in the ground. The ants basically sacrifice themselves so that their colony mates can cross over and continue the colony. Fact 23. Hippos produce natural sunscreen. Hippos secrete a reddish fluid that contains high levels of a compound called urate. This compound can block harmful UV rays, so hippos basically have their own special sunscreen. Fact 24. Starfish can see with their arms. Each arm of a starfish has a simple eye-like structure at the tip. These eyes can detect light and dark, but not actual images. Fact 25. Dogs can smell time. Dogs can sniff out changes in scent patterns, which allows them to know if something happened in the recent past or is about to happen in the near future. All right, comment below. Which fact blew your mind the most? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.